Okay, so this is going to be a screencast, hopefully to show you how to go about logging in when I have sessions in Blackboard. Because as you know, I have been doing Blackboard and Neuro and kind of bouncing back and forth because some lessons I just like better in Blackboard. So if it's a Blackboard session, you're going to click on the Class Connect link. And then what will pop up here is the downloading session. Now, one of the things I was talking to with one of the learning coaches is for some reason on your computer, it's not showing up in the bottom to be able to open for some reason. Well, there's a workaround with that. You just have to go up here to the three little dots you see in Chrome, manually go to your downloads, and something called Meeting Collab will be right there. Just double click on your meeting or just click on your Meeting Collab, and then that will be the same as if it was downloading at the bottom of your computer. And so now you're going to get to a verifying application. Once that processes, give it a second. It will then go to a run. Let's see if it does, if it pops up for me. So Blackboard takes a little bit more time to think. Okay, awesome. And now we're in. So once again, just to go over that again, I'm going to go ahead and close out of these Blackboards. I think I clicked the link too many times. So again, once you're in your online school and you click on the lesson that you want to get into for Blackboard, this window appears. Go up to the three little dots, go down to your downloads, just click it once. I accidentally clicked it 3 times. Just click the Meeting Collab one time, and then it will start verifying the application, doing its little downloading thing, and eventually it will open. You just have to be patient. It takes a few seconds for Blackboard to download and then open up. And then you're in Blackboard. Okay, hopefully this was helpful.